Welcome to Throttle. Think you know your car brands? Test your knowledge with our Guess the Car Brand logo quiz. Can you recognize these iconic logos? Let's find out. Can you recognize this iconic German logo? It's BMW. Which luxury brand does this star belong to? It's Mercedes-Benz. Do these four rings look familiar to you? It's Audi. Guess the brand behind this famous V logo. It's Volkswagen. Electric cars are the future. Name this logo. It's Tesla. Which car brand is known for this prancing horse? It's Ferrari. Do you know the raging bull behind this logo? It's Lamborghini. Which luxury brand features this trident symbol? It's Maserati. Can you name this powerful and iconic logo? It's Porsche. This leaping cat belongs to which luxury brand? It's Jaguar. Which French brand does this lion represent? It's Peugeot. Guess the car brand behind this diamond logo. It's Renault. Do you recognize this ultra-luxury car logo? It's Bugatti. Name the British brand with this winged bee. It's Bentley. Which Italian car brand uses this serpent logo? It's Alfa Romeo. Can you guess the brand behind these stars? It's Subaru. This Korean brand's logo, can you name it? It's Kia. Which brand does this winged M belong to? It's Mazda. Guess the car brand that uses this circle logo. It's Nissan. Which brand uses this three-diamond logo? It's Mitsubishi. Recognize the car brand with this oval symbol? It's Toyota. Which car brand is behind this tilted H logo? It's Hyundai. Do you know the brand with this bold H logo? It's Honda. Can you name this luxury brand's sharp logo? It's Acura. Guess the brand with this elegant L emblem. It's Lexus. Which American car brand uses this bow tie logo? It's Chevrolet. Name the brand with this iconic blue oval. It's Ford. Can you guess the American brand behind this logo? It's Dodge. Which brand does this rugged grille represent? It's Jeep. Guess the brand with this sleek winged logo. It's Chrysler. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quizzes. See you next time.